Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Vishal Raji, esteemed management, Reverend Principal Sir, respected teachers, dear parents and students. Today is a day of immense pride and joy for all of us at Milya Convent, Ramba. It is not every day that we get the privilege of welcoming one of our own as the chief guest for such a special occasion. Our esteemed chief guest, Shri Vishal Raji, is not just an accomplished IAS officer and the district magistrate of Kishanganj, but also a very proud alumnus of this school.
Sir, it fills our heart with pride to say that you were once seated among our students, walking through the same corridors, attending classes in the same rooms, and being shaped by the values and education of this institution. From grade 8 to grade 12, you were an integral part of our school family, and today, as you return as a distinguished guest, it feels like a full circle moment for all of us.
During your time here, you stood out for your determination, discipline, and dedication to your goals. Your teachers still fondly remember your curiosity and commitment, and the way you carried yourself with a quiet confidence. You were not just a student, you were an inspiration even then, and now you have become a role model for everyone associated with the school.
Your journey from this very campus to the esteemed corridors of administration as an IAS officer is a shining example of what hard work, perseverance and good values can achieve. You have proven that the foundation led here at Milya Convent has the strength to build leaders who can shape the future of our nation.
To our students here today, you are living proof that dreams are achievable, that the seeds of greatness planted in our school can grow into extraordinary accomplishments. Your presence here today inspires all of us, and it serves as a reminder of the transformative power of education and the endless possibilities it opens up.
On behalf of everyone at Milya Convent, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to you for gracing this occasion and making it even more special. Welcome back to your alma mater, sir, your second home. We are eager to hear your words of wisdom and your reflections on the journey of that brought you here.
थैंक यू एवरीवन। यहाँ पर उपस्थित हमारे सभी डिग्निटरीज़, यहाँ पर मैं ये रिस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स और कहते हुए काफ़ी खुशी हो रही है और काफ़ी अच्छा भी लग रहा है कि बहुत सारे ऐसे टीचर्स से मैं मिल रहा हूँ। बहुत ही मेरे लिए यूनिक मोमेंट है कि जिन सब के साथ आप लोगों से बहुत कुछ सीखा है, तो आप लोगों को दिल से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रैटिट्यूड फील कर रहा हूँ और रियली थैंक यू एवरीवन। और मिलिया कॉन्वेंट में यहाँ पर मैं 8th क्लास में यहाँ पर ज्वाइन किया था और काफ़ी अच्छा जर्नी रहा है उस समय से। थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट था मेरे लिए स्टार्टिंग में। यहाँ पर जितने बच्चे हैं आप लोगों को देख के भी अच्छा लग रहा है और आई वॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस टीम यहाँ पर। आप लोगों को बस यही कहना चाहूँगा कि बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है ये लाइफ का, और जो भी कीजिए अच्छे से कीजिए, दिल से कीजिए। आने वाले समय में आप लोग इस पॉइंट को बहुत मिस करने वाले हैं और हमेशा याद करेंगे अपने स्कूल के दिनों को, हमेशा याद करेंगे कि उस दिनों में कितने आज़ादी हुआ करती थी, कितना खुल के हम लोग जिया करते थे। आने वाले समय में आप लोगों की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ बढ़ने ही वाली हैं, तो हमेशा इस मोमेंट को चेरिश कीजिए और लाइफ में जो भी कैरियर आप लोग चुनें हमेशा एक्सेल करने का प्रयास कीजिए। डजेंट मैटर आप पढ़ाई में कुछ इंजीनियर बनना चाह रहे हैं, कुछ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में आना चाह रहे हैं, कुछ डॉक्टर्स बनना चाहेंगे, कुछ लोग खेल के क्षेत्र में भी अच्छा करना चाहेंगे। तो जो भी कैरियर आप लोग चुनें, आप लोगों से मैं यही आशा करता हूँ कि दिल से कीजिए, मेहनत लगा के कीजिए, तो आप लोग निश्चित रूप से अच्छा करेंगे। पहले के ज़माने में और आज के ज़माने में, मतलब 10-15 साल पुरानी अगर बात करूं, तो चीज़ें बहुत तेज़ी से बदल रही हैं। ये बात का आप लोगों को भी अंदाज़ा होगा। निश्चित रूप से अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आज के डेट में बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ रही हैं, लेकिन कंपटीशन भी बहुत तेज़ी से बढ़ रहा है। तो मैं बच्चों से यही कहूँगा कि दोनों ही पहलुओं पर आप लोग देखें। कंपटीशन आने वाले समय में पुराने समय के कंपैरिजन में काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ा हुआ मिलेगा, तो आप लोग को थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। लेकिन अगेन अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ भी बहुत ज़्यादा हैं हर फील्ड में। अब प्लेथोरा ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं, आप लोगों को ज़्यादा मौका मिलेगा, तो उस मौके को भुनाइए और अपने फील्ड में एक्सेल कीजिए। और मैं इसी आशा के साथ आप लोगों को ये कहना चाहूँगा, और आप लोग पूरी तरह से एंजॉय कीजिए शो को। मैं ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लूँगा आप लोगों का। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, sir, for this inspiring words. Your presence truly means a lot to us. But Ariba, do you know why we call our annual day function as the Prerna Divas?
Oh yes, I know that. We are celebrating Prerna Divas in honor to give our love and tribute to a great soul who is not with us today, and she's our late Assistant Director, Sanoba Tasneem ma'am. It's her birth anniversary which we mark as Prerna Divas.
Now, to honor our great soul, late Assistant Director Dr. Sanoba Tasneem ma'am, we would like to welcome Nafisa for a melodious song.
तुझको भूल जाऊं कैसे, माने न मनाऊं कैसे, तू बता। लुका छुपी बहुत हुई, सामने आ जाना। कहाँ कहाँ ढूंढा तुझे, थक गई है तेरी अब बांटते हैं ये हम भीगे नैना, जो सांझ ख्वाब देखते थे नैना, बिछड़ के आज रो दिए हैं यूं।
Truly marvelous.
Now I would like to request Kismet ma'am to present the annual report.
So please welcome her with a warm round of applause.
One and all present here, it is with deepest sense of honor and gratitude that I extend a warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Shri Vishal Rajji, a distinguished IS officer and a beacon of excellence, whose presence today adds immense prestige to this occasion. I also extend my heartfelt welcome to respected Director Sir, Dr. Asad Imam Sir, Assistant Director Sir, Adil Imam Sir, Honorable Members of the Management, Chairman Sir, Shabir Sir, Legal Advisor Sir, Kaisar Imam Sir, our distinguished guests, my dedicated colleagues, our ever supportive parents, and most importantly, the bright young minds of our school. Your presence here today fills us with pride and reinforces the strength of our community. Our annual day celebration is marked as Prerna Divas in the fond memory of our beloved Sanobat Tasneem ma'am. It is a day dedicated to showcasing the talents, achievements and hard work of our students and staff, reflecting the values that drive our school forward. Annual Day signifies a time when core scholastic activities take precedence over academics. It's a day for reflecting on the past year, reviewing achievements and embracing innovations. Tracing the days of our school from its inception reveals a truly humble and modest beginning that has blossomed into a network of many branches, including sister schools and an engineering college. We take pride in being the first CBSE school in the region. As we reflect on our journey, we acknowledge that there is more yet to be achieved. I, Mrs. Kismet Ara, feel deeply honored and privileged to present the annual school report 2024-25. This report is a testament to the remarkable journey we have undertaken during the session 2024-25, celebrating achievements, milestones, and the unwavering dedication of our students, staff, and teachers. It reflects the collective spirit and hard work that have driven the growth and success of our school community. Let us take a moment to reflect and celebrate all that we have accomplished together. Our Director Sir continues to be the guiding light of our institution. With his visionary leadership and unwavering commitment, he has steered the school forward. His visionary leadership and unwavering commitment. He has steered the school forward in excellence in all aspects, academic, co-curricular and infrastructural. His emphasis on fostering holistic education and innovation has helped our school maintain its reputation as a center of excellence. Our Assistant Director, Sir, Mr. Adil Imam Sir, has been an equally vital force behind the school's success. His dedication, warmth, and hands-on approach have been instrumental in creating a nurturing environment for both students and staff. With his relentless efforts and support, we have achieved remarkable milestones this year. Our Principal Principal Sir, Mr. Y.K. Jha Sir, has been a cornerstone of our school success this year. His dynamic leadership, dedication and passion for education have inspired both students, staff to strive for excellence. Under his guidance, the school has achieved significant milestones, fostering a culture of academic brilliance, discipline and holistic development. Our school campus. Our school campus is thoughtfully designed to provide a safe, vibrant and enriching environment for students. The spacious grounds include a well-maintained park with a play station for youngsters, offering them a space to unwind and enjoy. A dedicated area is reserved for our school buses, ensuring efficient and organized transport. Inside the school, our library serves as a haven for knowledge seekers, while the state-of-the-art science labs ignite curiosity and foster hands-on learning and scientific exploration. The airy corridors and well-lit classrooms create a positive and conducive atmosphere for academic excellence, making our campus a perfect blend of functionality and inspiration. The physical education classroom inspires students to embrace the fitness and teamwork, while the music room serves as a room for hub for various events, assemblies and cultural activities. The multi-purpose hall also adds to this. Additionally, the computer lab connected through a high-speed LAN ensures the students stay technologically adept, preparing them for challenges of the modern world. Our motto, transforming potentiality into reality. At the heart of our institution lies our school motto. It is more than just a phrase. It is promise we uphold each day. Our mission is to nurture the inherent talents of our students, empowering them to reach their full potential and turn their dreams into tangible achievements. Every initiative, every effort and every success story at our school is a testament of this commitment. Our toppers. Our toppers. It is with immense pride that I begin this report by celebrating the outstanding achievements of our students in the previous academic session, who have set a benchmark of excellence through their hard work and dedication.